To complete the Know Your Customer process on BitMart, start by logging into your BitMart account and navigating to the Account Verification section. This is typically found in the Settings or Profile area of the platform. Once you are in the Account Verification section, select the option to start the KYC process. You will be required to provide personal identification information, including your full name, date of birth, and address. Ensure the details you provide match the information on your government-issued ID. Next, you will need to upload a clear photo of your government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. The ID should be valid and not expired. Make sure the image is well lit and all details are clearly visible. After uploading your ID, you may be asked to provide a selfie or perform a facial recognition check. This is a security measure to ensure the person completing the KYC process is the same person on the ID. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. The final step is to wait for verification. BitMart will review the information and documents you provided and may request additional information if necessary. Once your account is verified, you will receive a notification and have full access to the platform's features. It is essential to note that KYC is a one-time process, and completing it helps to secure your account and comply with regulatory requirements. Always ensure the information you provide is accurate and up to date, and never share your account details or verification documents with anyone. By following these steps, you can easily complete the KYC process on BitMart and start using the platform securely.